Oh shit. Wrong one.
I unlocked my new guy here. That's pretty awesome.
Yeah, I got somebody with red hair. Everybody cool?
Yep.
Alright, here we go. We're gonna do Bunker 51. Remember that other one had blood everywhere? That was pretty cool.
Yeah, that was the, I don't even know what it was now.
The art museum. Well, I'm gonna call it.
Yeah, sure.
The extremely bigger than it needs to be art museum.
So, split up again, or what are we doing here?
There's whispering. I don't like this.
I think I should
I
stick.
don't know.
There's whispering.
I kind of want to stick with the person that lived the longest last time.
So, Adam.
Let's do this.
Alright, who are you, Steve? You
I'm
the
right
chick?
in front of you. Yeah.
Alright, we're gonna go this way.
Alrighty.
We'll see if this works out for me and I don't die first again.
What do you think, Steve? Left or right?
Yeah, let's go left. Let's go left. Fuck it.
Okay. Well, no. Let's go right.
Do you guys hear this whispering?
Over here is a bookshelf.
You with me?
Nobody else
Okay.
hears this little girl? Do you guys hear this little girl?
No.
What little girl?
I have
I
headphones
see
in.
that
Put in your
girl.
headphones.
Oh, I
You
found
hear
one.
a girl playing hopscotch.
1, 2, Freddy's coming for you. That?
Damn, already. Nice.
Where are we?
Yeah, I just wanted to cover all the bases.
Where'd you go, Hostel?
Right behind you.
I think we should go straight for right now.
Damn, they got a green thing in there. Yeah. Alright, stick to the
then,
wall on the right
This
side.
way we'll be able to come back to this room and branch off, because there's like...
There's little corridors everywhere. Yep.
That fucking green thing.
There's a tape
over
recorder.
there.
There's a tape
Ooh.
recorder.
There's a green
Where?
thing right there.
Right there on the same table. You see it?
No, you go
I
grab
see
it.
it. Alright. Move. I can't. I don't have enough health. I don't have enough health to do it. Hold on. I gotta get more health.
You say it's on this table?
Yeah, look. You see it?
Oh, okay, I see it.
I'm dying. I'm dying. I'm dying.
Sorry, stick on the wall. Stick to the wall.
Down the bookshelf.
Yes.
I'm dying even more. No, I'm back.
Really? Alright.
I'm good. I'm good. Let's go this way.
Yeah,
Ready?
just
I almost lost you there for a
stick
sec.
to the walls.
I have to run to catch up to you.
Oh!
How you
There's
doing
an
for
ups-
health, Steve?
No, this is a
That's too
mystery.
good, man. I'm probably gonna die first.
Really?
That's good. I don't want to die first.
Alright, take this right.
I'm cursed.
Ooh, what is this? Oh crap!
Oh shit.
Here, let's take
This is much
one.
creepier. This is much creepier because there's like little alleyways.
Yeah, turn off your flashlight. You can still see a little bit. Left?
You hear anything in this room for
Yeah,
as
I
far as
think I
finding
did.
anything?
Wait, what does this say? Right down here.
Oh, I found one.
There!
Aliens
Okay, yeah.
or something like that?
I don't know.
Oh! Oh fuck, we're flying through this one.
Here we go, Scott. Scott, we found something.
Here's a new
I
bookshelf.
like this.
I don't want to go in there. I don't want to go
Okay.
in there. You
Where'd
go
you go,
first.
Hostel?
Oh shit, sorry.
This is so dark.
go.
I don't like it. We're near something. Scott.
Conference room.
Alright, let's go this way.
Ugh, I don't like this room at all.
There should be a tape recorder in here,
This
you
is the
would say.
morgue.
I can't hear it. Yeah. Go to the right. To the right.
Bookshelf.
Scott. Scott, over here.
Where is
I
it?
can hear it. I can hear it. You hear it?
Yeah,
Who found that one?
that is.
It's gonna be right here.
Well,
It's
we
gonna be
both
here.
did. Where are you? Here, follow
Wait,
me.
did you find one, Scott?
In this room at
Yeah,
all?
yeah.
Ooh, I don't want to go in that
Yeah.
room. There's a dead body on the table in there. I don't like that idea.
Gotta check that room out there.
Yeah.
Dead body. Let's go in there.
Let's go to the right.
I just
Right.
glitched through the wall. Holy crap. Oh, there's blood in here. Not good.
I can hear a tape recorder.
I can see.
Oh man, look at the bodies, Hostel.
That's what I'm saying. I don't like this idea. Wait, you seen more bodies?
Can
On
we
the
try
table?
this one?
They're the
Yeah.
monsters.
Oh
For
shit!
the aliens?
Holy crap!
Oh, we're at a sub.
Alright, there's definitely something here.
He's got his mouth open. Do you think I should try to put
So
something in
dark.
there? Oh, I found a tape
Very
recorder.
dark.
I found one. There we go.
Holy shit, holy shit, holy shit. Run, 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 run. Run, 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 run.
Because I was
Run,
scared,
run, run,
and I
run.
just couldn't get it.
Alright, let's. Here, I'm gonna go back. Let's
It was
see if
sitting on top
anything's
of
at
the,
back of the sub.
right beside where he was.
Wait for me, Scott, you fucking asshole.
Oh, where are you? Oh.
Yeah,
let's go
these are
back.
the monsters.
If I suddenly go quiet, my mic died. Probably not a great time for it to die,
Gotta
right?
be something on the sub. Come on now. But there isn't.
Okay.
Scott,
I
come
don't
down
know.
here.
Wow.
We go in
What's
a
that?
circle
Where are
or
you?
something here?
No, I don't think we've been in this room, have we?
I have no idea.
Okay, kind of. Oh yeah, I think we were in
Let's
this room
just check.
actually.
Let's just check the ass end of the sub too. Okay, no, nothing.
I'm stuck.
Did you want to go back the way we came and keep checking it from there, or go
Was
over
there a door
and
over
just-
here? Yeah, there's a door.
Yeah.
I seriously
You
can't
wanna
move.
Try that. Okay.
Oh wait, there we go. You got me out.
Yeah.
Sweet.
Nope, I refuse to
push
go
you
first. You go
back
first.
there.
Fuck
Okay.
that. There's too many little corners you could be around.
I know, especially in this one.
Oh,
Holy.
fucking Christ. We found the jail
Were you
cell.
guys at a jail cell?
No, we were at the morgue.
Nope.
Oh, fuck. God, I don't like the idea of this. There's so many.
Can we stop to
Oh,
get
the
a
little
drink?
girl's back. The little girl's back. She's talking to me.
He's having his own little
Holy-
personal experience. And then he looks behind him and there's somebody behind him. In real life, I mean.
That would be fucking creepy.
All of a sudden we hear him scream and then he leaves the party and it's like, what the
Nope,
fuck
not
just
in here.
happened?
Ooh, what's over here, Hostel?
You guys just made
You
me
check
turn
that.
around.
You check that one. I'll check this one.
Captain Crunch
Where
saw
are
the little
you?
girl from the garage.
I'm on the left.
Wait, where are you? I lost you. I lost you. There you are. Never mind.
Is that a train?
Alright,
What's that? You check
Oh.
that one.
Yeah,
Oh.
the train.
Scott.
There's one on the back of the
He's
train.
going to be in one of these cells, I know it. I fucking
There's
know
one
it. I
right
don't
here.
like this. The game is definitely programmed to scare the shit out of us when he's in the cell.
Oh yeah.
There should be one
Oh
right.
fuck, I'm stuck.
Scott,
No,
Are
not
you
there.
Stuck. Ah, there we go.
you want to leave here, Scott? Or you want to keep searching the cell?
Yeah, I just keep searching the cells.
There
Oh,
should be
there's
one
some
right around
people
here somewhere.
That's creepy. We're not going there.
No, that's very creepy. It's just a monster.
Last time we
shows up.
played this
We'd be
one, we
like-
found one here.
Oh crap!
Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. Run.
You know, like Adam's dude screamed. There's seriously nothing in the jail cells?
Scott.
Come on.
He just about got me that
That's here.
time.
I
I
was
was-
just watching us.
I was all
Yeah.
vibrated out.
Watching us.
Should we go here or
He knows we're
circle
on
back
his
to
trail.
that other one? Let's circle
Bring it.
back.
Alright, let's search back this one.
Actually, let's go all the way to the end of this room.
Let's go all the
Yeah,
way.
Yeah,
missed
I'm hearing a
anything.
tape recorder.
Yeah, there's
Are
usually
you
one
right
in this
behind me? Are
room.
you, dude?
Yeah, I'm right behind you.
Yeah, I'm right behind you too. Oh, we found one.
Okay, these doors are open, Steve. What are you thinking? What are you thinking?
I
We
think
got
we're gonna
these
fucking
doors.
die. I think we're gonna fucking die.
Okay, we can't
Oh,
move.
yeah.
My flashlight's starting to flicker.
I got double the
Alright.
flashlight. That got a +2 on mine, so we probably got to go this way and then go over.
I am stuck.
I think we are already here, though. Alright.
I wonder if I can push you out of there.
thinking. It all looks the same.
Alright, we're gonna go back this way.
Thank you.
Oh, I could. Okay.
Let's go.
I thought I was pushing
Yeah, we'll
more
go
into
back
it.
this way.
Have we seen the monster once yet, Scott?
Yeah, I did.
Oh, yeah.
He almost got me once.
Just once, though.
I think we should go this way. Or
think
did we
we
already
do
find the
go
tape
over.
measure? Wait, did I say tape measure? I meant tape recorder.
Here we go.
Have we gone this way? Yeah, we went this way. No, the other way, Scott. There's
I'm
a
Is
door
this
this
the
way.
sub?
Down here.
Yeah,
a
that's
bit
the sub.
there.
Okay.
Ooh, Hello?
Where are you?
Damn it, my flashlight's flickering. I'm right behind you. Okay, so it's this one right here. Ladies first?
Okay, there's a green thing.
Hey, here we go.
Time to nut up or shut up.
You think in the Michael Bay remake of the Ninja Turtles, that'll be what the Ninja Turtles come in?
Fuck, here we go. I don't see
what do you-
anything.
Teenage
No.
Mutant
Where
Ninja
are you?
Aliens?
Where did you go?
Holy shit! Holy shit!
Scott, where are you? Scott, where are you?
I don't know. I went through the door. Where are you?
What's the door? Scott, did you go back to the sub?
Yeah, I'm
I
back
see
in
you.
the cell.
Alright, Scott, turn around. Alright, come this way. This way.
Okay. Whew! The monster was there.
Motherfucker.
Yeah, we've been that way.
There's like little
idiot.
signs that show like missiles, so...
Now, if you guys see a UFO or jail cells, we've already been there.
If you guys see a morgue or a missile
let's go
silo or a train, we've been there.
No, other way, Scott, other way.
Okay.
So look at the green little signs. I'm wondering why we haven't even seen...
What's this way, Scott? We've been this way, that'd take us back the other way. Fuck that. This way, right here.
Which way?
Alright, there's something. Wait, what's this? Is this the alien holding cell we're going to?
Oh,
That says the holding
we've
cell.
not been here before.
This
Nope.
says
The box turret.
a nursery. Ooh, we're going to the alien nursery.